106 on your side, Storm Team.
Like we were talking about earlier, it was an absolutely beautiful day for that orange and white game. Beautiful Saturday, but we don't have a great Sunday ahead.
Sadly, we don't, so I hope you all took advantage of this beautiful Saturday, got outside, enjoyed the sun and the warmth, because going into tomorrow, well, we're going to start off the day with showers and possible storms. Here's a look at right now. We're seeing mostly clear conditions, but a few clouds are beginning to build in. You can't really see that right now. This is a look at our downtown tower cam from Embassy Suites, but again, we're seeing cloud cover building as we head further into tonight, and eventually rain will move in as well. And showers and storms are in store for us tomorrow. Thankfully, though, we are in for a drier Monday, but it will be a cooler one at that. Temperatures right now sitting in the low 60s, upper 50s, 64 here in Knoxville, 63 in Kingston, and 60 in Loudoun. And moving on into tonight, well, lows are only getting down to the upper 50s, so we're close to where we should be. 59 in Knoxville, 59 in Maryville, and 57 in Kingston. But like I said, going into tomorrow, we have the chance of seeing some storms, which is why the Storm Prediction Center has put portions of our area under a 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms moving through. This is mostly just our eastern portion of our area. Mostly Knox County and east is where we see that 1 out of 5 risk. And mostly it's a wind and small hail threat. We could be seeing some damaging winds in some localized areas. But let's get to our timeline to see how we are going to be affected with these storms. Like I said, around midnight, so here in the next 30 or so minutes, we'll start to see clouds building into the area, and they'll continue to build throughout the morning. But by 3:30, we'll start to see a few isolated showers popping up here and there. Luckily, these aren't the severe ones. We move it further into the morning, and we start to see a few stronger storms making their way into the area. But again, these aren't the severe ones. They're mostly just going to be rain showers with some gusty winds attached to them. We will see more as we move into the later portion of the morning. This is around 8 a.m. when a lot of us are getting up to head to church or, go out and eat brunch with our friends and family. Well, we see this kind of small line make its way through east, and then it's out of here. By 11 a.m., this is when we see this main line. I know it looks a little bit wimpy, but it's still going to have some good gusty winds associated with it. It'll move east, and then it'll be out of here by 12:30. By 12:30, it will be kind of closer to the mountains, and all the way out of here by 3, we'll be left with partially cloudy skies and cooler conditions. Thankfully, again, this is mostly a wind threat, but last time we saw a wind threat that did knock some power lines over, so just, stay weather aware going into tomorrow and Monday. Highs tomorrow in the low 70s, upper 60s, 72 in Maynardville, 67 in Wartburg, and 71 in Kingston. And after that cold front swings through tomorrow, well, guess what? Monday's highs only in the mid 60s, 65 in Knoxville, 66 in Maynardville, and 67 in Loudoun. We do have another chance at seeing rain coming next Saturday, but guess what? We get a whole 5 days of dry conditions. And again, as a reminder, seeing storms throughout the day tomorrow. They're mostly scattered. A much cooler start to the week going into Monday, and then we warm up to the low 80s by Wednesday, adding in some clouds heading on into Thursday, and then we see rain arriving again late Friday night into Saturday. But again, it's pretty much a carbon copy of what we saw this week. So, keep your rain jackets on you going into tomorrow and enjoy the rest of the week. Austin?
Margo,